With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Dear students, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 7 equal to 0, then show that alpha minus 1 by beta minus 1 plus beta minus 1 by gamma minus 1 plus gamma minus 1 by alpha minus 1 equal to 3 omega, where omega is complex cube of unity. So here is given that alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of given equation. So first we solve the given equation and the solutions are the roots of this equation. So first we write given equation x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So this is cubic equation. So using vanishing method to solve this equation. So we put in place of x equal to minus 1. So we get minus 1 cube means minus 1 minus 3 plus 7 equal to minus 7 plus 7 equal to 0. So we say x plus 1 is a factor of this expression. So here we put x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1 in 3 times. So we adjust this. Here is x square. So we multiply x square by x plus 1. So x cube plus x square. And this x plus 1 multiplied by minus 4x. So here is minus 4x square minus 4x. Here is plus 7. So plus 7x plus 7 equal to 0. So we take common from this x plus 1. So we write here x square minus 4x plus 7 equal to 0. So now x plus 1 equal to 0 or x square minus 4x plus 7 equal to 0. So from this we get x equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is a roots of given equation. Now to solve this equation using Sridhar-Acharya's formula. So x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here b equal to minus 4. So 4 plus minus root over b square means 16 minus 4ac. So here a is 1 and c is 7. So 28 by 2. So from this we get 4 plus minus root over minus 12 by 2. So 4 plus minus root over minus 1 means I. This is complex number I equal to root over minus 1. So 2I root 3 by 2. So 2 plus minus I root 3. So the solution are the roots of given equation. So here is given that alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. So we write alpha equals to minus 1. Beta equals to 2 plus I root 3. And gamma equals to 2 minus I root 3. Now we solve. Now to prove this. So first we write left hand side of this expression alpha minus 1 by beta minus 1, alpha minus 1 by beta minus 1 plus beta minus 1 by gamma minus 1, beta minus 1 by gamma minus 1 plus gamma minus 1 by alpha minus 1. Now to prove this equal to 3 omega. So here omega is complex cube of unity. We know the value of omega is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. This is complex number. So now we put value of alpha, beta and gamma. So equal to minus 1 by beta minus 1 means beta equal to 2 plus I root 3. So 2 plus I root 3 minus 1 plus 2 plus I root 3 minus 1 by gamma minus 1 means 2 minus I root 3 minus 1 plus gamma minus 1 means 2 minus I root 3 minus 1, 2 minus I root 3 minus 1 by alpha minus 1 means minus 1 minus 1. Now I solve this. Here is minus 2 by 1 plus I root 3 plus 1 plus I root 3 by 1 minus I root 3 plus 1 minus I root 3 by minus 2. Now we take LCM of all denominators. So here we write minus 2 into 1 plus I root 3, 1 minus I root 3. So here is minus 2 into minus 2. That means 4 into 1 minus I root 3, 1 minus I root 3 plus 1 plus I root 3, 1 plus I root 3 1 plus I root 3. Here is 1 minus I root 3. So we take here minus 2 into 1 plus I root 3. That means 1 plus I root 3 square into minus 2 plus 1 minus I root 3. Here is minus 2. So here we multiply 1 minus I root 3 by this and this factor. So this is square into 1 plus I root 3. Now we solve this equal to, here is minus 2 into 1 plus 3. So here is 4 minus 4I root 3 plus here is minus 2 I root 3 whole square means minus 3. So plus 6 plus 2I root 3. So minus 4I root 3 plus 1 minus I root 3 into 1 minus I root 3 into 1 plus I root 3. So 1 plus 3. So we get, here is minus 8, 4 minus 4I root 3 plus 4 minus 4I root 3 plus 4 minus 4I root 3. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 12 minus 12I root 3 by minus 8. So we take common 12 from this. 12 by minus 8. 1 minus I root 3. So 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8. So 3 into minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. So minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 equal to omega. So now we put in place of this omega. So equal to 3 omega. So in this problem, to show this equal to 3 omega. So finally we get this expression equal to 3 omega. So this is proved. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.